Hello guys, today I want to unbox some new package, which is leggings from Abusa. It's a new brand, maybe not so new, but I saw it on Amazon, and it's women cotton workout ankle yoga leggings, and they have some interesting functions and features because they have tummy control. So I've got it on Amazon here, and it's arrived very fast as just one day. So let's open it. Yeah, here, Abusa woman yoga leggings, power flex tummy control. I've got them in size large and color is gray. So they looks like this. They came in this package and it says company name. They are made in China, and let's open them. So here they are. I've got them in this nice gray color. Wow, they are really good quality. Here is the tag. They are cotton and spandex, 95% of cotton and 5% of spandex, and they are made like very stretchy material. As you can see, you can stretch it, but it's also thick, so I don't have yet such leggings, because my other ones, when I bought, they are more thin and these ones are thicker. But at the same time, they doesn't have polyester, which would be more not good for yoga. And these ones are more great because they also have combed cotton, which is more extensive than conventional cotton, and it's softer, lighter, smoother and more breathable. And it's great for fitness, exercise, cycling, running and just everyday use. So Abusa yoga shorts combine fashion and other functions. That's great. Wow, and they have this nice here belt that will control your tummy, and it's really great color because I really like this color. As you can see, I have also t-shirts. And what does it have? It's non-see-through moisture-wicking material, breathable and stretchy fabric. As you can see, it's stretch much. Provides complete coverage. Yeah, and it has that elastic elastic waistband that give you snug fit. Let's try it on then. I will put link down below if you wanna get, as they are really not expensive and they have many great reviews, and they come in many colors actually. Okay, I try them on. My leggings. They are really thick and flexible. Okay, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed such video. If you do, then thumbs up and subscribe for more. And I will put link down below where you can buy them, as they are really great leggings and really cheap. Thank you for watching. Bye.